guys, so in honor of Pride Month, I wanted to do a little series with a bunch of Pride themed looks. So in this next video will be a little tutorial on how to get this non-binary colors eyeshadow look. As always, you don't have to use the exact same products I'm using, just use whatever works for you. So with that being said, let's get into it. So first off, you know you gotta get some eyeshadow primer in, and with that, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So the eyeshadows I'm gonna use with this are all from the Morphe 35B palette. And the ones specifically are this purple shade right here, this yellow at the bottom corner, and I'm also gonna go in with this white and this black shade down here. So let's get started. So using this fluffy angled brush, I'm gonna go in with that purple shade and apply that in the outer corner and a little bit in the inner corner, and that's gonna be on both the lid and the lower lash line. And I'm even taking that up a little bit in the crease area as well and just blending that out there. And now time for the lower lash line. Gonna do basically the same thing there, just in the outer and inner corner, leaving the middle space empty. And this all is a big build-up process, so I'm just tapping in a little bit and very lightly blending that together. So now that I'm looking at the color a bit, I'm gonna go in with this lighter purple here and try to lighten that up a bit. Yeah, that helps a lot. It kind of matches the color more. And next, going in with the yellow and with a thick packing brush, I'm just gonna apply that right in the middle on both the lid and the lower lash line. And I'm not gonna try to blend that with the purple too much, cause that'll probably make it look a weird color, but I'm just gonna lightly pat that down. And these two colors together make a beautiful color contrast, which I love. And using just the top of a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with the black color, and in a very focused area, I'm gonna darken up the outer and inner corners just a little bit. And I'm not putting as much in the inner corner because that's where we're gonna put the white later. And I'm just going in with that lighter purple and lightening that area up a little bit. Not so much that you take away from where you added in the black, but just enough to that you can distinguish the purple from the black. And last but not least, using a packing brush, I'm gonna go in with the white color and apply that in the inner corner here, just beyond the purple to brighten that area up. And actually, just looking at it, I kind of want to add a little bit of sparkle, which I'll be using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Glam Rock. And I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of sparkle in the inner corner here on top of the white. I think that'll look nice. Let's see. I like to just get a little cluster there and then blend that out with my finger. Not really blend it out, just spread it out. Yeah. So now you repeat that on the other side and you're good. And there you go, that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. And if you guys do decide to recreate this look at all, please tag me in any pictures. I'd love to see them. And subscribe to my channel as well. I'd really appreciate it. And have a happy Pride Month, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye. It looks like I have a bit of a black eye going on. Huh. That's fun. I've been fighting people.